Hey, what's up everyone? It's Jack. I got a quote from Buddha, and it goes like this: every morning we are born again. Haha. You know what? Today's a new day. And here's the deal about what I'm about to say here. Check this out, guys. I flip-flop. I'm a Gemini. I go from one end of the spectrum to the other, but I have to find a niche. I think I've found my niche. Actually, I know I have. It's called LOVE, and it's love. And what I mean by that, guys, is we create our own love, just like the electricity creates your thumbnails, your power scripts, your video games, and everything in between. TVs, you name it. Cool thing about love, it's self-healing. I not only want to prove that to you guys with you watching my videos, but it also says another thing. It self-heals the people that these power lines actually provide power to. So when we put love into these power lines, like 1.22 gigawatts of lightning power, we can go further and more further than we've ever done before. And with 22 upon us and 23 in the future of us, we must do one thing, and it's choose a path. It's choices, and it's a lifestyle that we make. Let's have fun. Choose love, everyone. Like, subscribe, comment, and deliver. That's how the ripple effect starts in your own backyard. I love y'all for watching. Have a great day.